I'm going to be putting in this pretty awesome MOONSMC fly eye headlight. I got this new housing for it as well. So we'll be putting that in. I think it's going to look really good. I'm so excited to have it because on my Sportster, my Harley Sportster, the 48, I have a Daymaker headlight, and it was a knockoff one. It came with the bike, and it's not very bright. The original headlight in these Harleys, they're not very bright either. Can't really see anything at night, especially if you go riding in the daytime with the tinted lens on your helmet, and then nighttime comes around and you still have that tinted lens on, and it makes it so difficult to see any imperfections in the road, potholes or anything like that. So it can get pretty dangerous at night, actually. So I'm excited about this LED headlight. Can't wait to see how it works, how bright it is. So I'm gonna hop into this installation now. Alright guys, I finished the headlight install. I think it looks really cool. It's like the fly eye style. So with the regular lights, these are on, and when you turn on the high beams, all four of them turn on. Not too sure exactly what this is for. I think this might just stay on the whole time. But let's see, let's find out. Let's turn it on. Sweet, it looks really good. The regular lights, the running lights are these two. High beams are all four. And it looks really good. I'm really stoked with putting these on. Now I'm going to change my handlebars. As you can see, they're super bent. These are some pretty tall risers. I think they total out to about 14 inches with these handlebars going up about 2 inches. I went with the Biltwell MX style bars, 12 inch. Got these torquer grips. I think they look pretty cool. I got brown color to kind of match the wheels and decals on the FXDLS. They look really cool. So they're called chocolate color. A Biltwell sticker. It's pretty cool. Thanks, Biltwell. These are the MX bars, 12 inch. So about the same width, a little bit, not about the same width. They're going to be, I want to say like 3 inches shorter. Yeah, about 3 inches shorter than these. So these are probably like 14, these are probably like 15 inch handlebars, and pretty tall. But these should be perfect for me. Black, that's black color. So let's get on with the install. Let's check out this bolt. Take a look at that. That's pretty bent. So I gotta run back to Harley, get some more parts. Already been there a couple times. Pretty much have all the parts I need ordered. So just need a couple little things like this bolt, for example. Check out these risers. These are the FM risers. They got pretty dented from that fall. I don't know if you guys can tell. They are not straight. If anyone wants some bent risers, let me know. They look really good. Check it out. These are the 12-inch Tyson throttle by wire Biltwell handlebars, MX style. They're pre-drilled, so I ran the wires through them. Man, these wires were a pain in the butt to get through. I had to take off the plugs off each wire and run them through the cables, or run them through the bars. These bars were actually easy to get them through. The holes inside are fairly wide, so they're easy to fish through. Now the bars that were on the bike, these bars are extremely tight, especially on the bend here. So pulling them out was an extreme pain. I put oil on the cables and was pulling them as hard as I could, and finally got them through. These were the mini high pro taper contour bars. They're cool. They weren't bent from the accident or anything. Nice bars. They're pretty straight. Kind of scratched up on this side, but still salvageable if someone wanted them. It was the risers that took most of the damage, but I like these bars. They look good. 12-inch. I think they're perfect size for this bike, or for my liking at least. Yeah, wanted to show you guys how it looked before I put on the fairing. Let me show you guys how it looks from behind as well. I don't have the seat on right now, so it's not good height, but without the seat, they're pretty much level for me. With the seat, it'll be about like that. It's pretty comfortable. I've had ape hangers before. I liked ape hangers. They're really comfortable. They're like 14-inch, I believe. Probably the most comfortable bars I've had. I've had low bars, Z bars, like 7-inch ones on Sportsters. This is my first T-bar setup and my first Dyna, so I'm excited to try these out. It's looking really good. It's coming together. I'm going to be putting on the exhaust soon. I've got a really cool exhaust. Can't wait to share it with you guys. I got an awesome seat that I ordered. I've got a bunch of parts in. I've just been holding off on putting them on because I've been kind of busy, but I'm excited to get this thing ready for summer, man. The weather's amazing right now. It's getting good. It's a little rainy this week, but next week should be really good for riding. I'm thinking I might put it all together and ride it for a little bit before I paint this tank. Because I'm just so anxious. If it's gonna continue to rain, then I'll take the tank off, take it to the paint shop to get it painted. Because I can't ride it anyway. I mean, I don't want to ride in the rain. But the plan is right now is to put it all together and then worry about the paint job. It's not that big of a deal. It's not dented. It's just scratched a little bit with clear coat. So yeah, I'm gonna put on the fairing. I'm gonna put on the exhaust. Intake's still coming. I'm waiting for the intake. Coming in the mail. Yeah, excited to ride this beast. All right, guys.